Dump it. Dump it again.
No, no, no!
And again.
Okay guys, it's Luke here. Welcome to today's insight video. And look, I'm going to be blunt with you guys about this. Because those of you who are watching this video, you guys are smart. You're the 10%. You're not the 90%. The herd, you haven't got the herd mentality. The herd mentality will make you broke. We need to stop worshipping scammers and false celebrities. And we need to use our brains. And you guys that are watching this can handle the truth. For months I've been saying, like, we're gonna go below 5k. If you follow us on Twitter, we've been calling for this for ages. We've been waiting for this exact price movement that we're seeing over the last 24 hours to happen. The cryptocurrency markets are just so immature. Wall Street is literally having a laugh. Fidelity backed. We're gonna get a Swiss ETF. The crypto market is so easily spooked. It's open season for the legacy system. So, as you all know, Bitcoin is now about $4,500. Now, this time last year, about 13-14 months ago, we were talking about Bitcoin reaching $4,500 for the first time. Now we're back down there. We've reached full circle. But I don't think this is over. This is a bear market, guys. While this bear market is much more optimistic than your typical bear market, the bloodshed isn't done. 5k is broken. It's gone. That's now resistance we're gonna have to get through maybe sometime in the future. Me personally, with 5k smashed and out the way, I think $2,000, and I'm talking for Bitcoin here, $2,000 to $3,500 is very, very possible for Bitcoin to bottom out at, in my personal opinion. I might be wrong. Tone's prediction of like $1,200 could easily happen as well. I'm not even ruling out anything, okay? That's like a worst case scenario, of course. But I think this bear market could easily go 90% from Bitcoin's all-time high. And I know a lot of you guys are not gonna like hearing that, but you know what? I'm just telling the truth. People were giving me grief when I said to them that 8k wasn't the bottom. They were adamant that $8,000 Bitcoin was the bottom. It wasn't. They're wrecked now. If you listen to people like that, they are totally annihilated. They're gone. They're almost wiped by 50%. Don't listen to these fake experts. I'm not an expert. Don't listen to me. Don't be sheep. Think long term, like what Meister says. Think long term with this. Look at the historical data. Do your research. I will leave a list of articles for you to help you get started with your research. No one knows what's going to happen fully, but we can estimate, we can speculate. That's the fun part. But don't be surprised. Don't panic if this shit goes down to $2,000. I personally think around 3,500 there could be some strong support, but it can go lower. I'm being blunt here, guys. I'm being blunt. Surprisingly, XRP, or Ripple as other people call it, but XRP has actually been a safe haven in this bloodshed. Yesterday it was only down 4%. I think today it's now down 10%. But XRP has held its value much better than Ethereum, than Bitcoin, even Litecoin. So what's all that about? Oh wait, check out the Ripple playlist and you'll see why. You'll see who's getting involved with XRP. This isn't a game, guys. Be the contrarian, okay? What's causing this sell-off? Is it Craig dumping his Bitcoin? Is it Roger dumping Bitcoin for this hash war? Is it basic economics? Is it manipulation? I think it's a mixture of all of it. What's the smart money doing? What's the smart money doing? Are they even looking at the price? I bet you they're not. I bet you they're looking at the tech behind the scenes. They're on the back end developing and building. Why do you think the Swiss stock exchange is rolling out crypto ETFs? Not just Bitcoin ETFs, but this ETF apparently will have Bitcoin. The fund will have Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum as the three main ones, and then Bcash and Litecoin. I don't think this bear market is over. The sentiment is way too optimistic, way too bullish. Everyone is still talking about how high it's going to end on, how high the price will be at the end of the year. A bear market will be when everyone is talking about how low it's going to be at the end of the year. When people start talking like that, then we're close to the bottom. We're not even at the bottom yet, guys. Pull your socks up, get ready.